Softest person velvet night. City sleeps but we're awake. Dreaming wide with eyes that shake. Late night now you call the stars. Moonlight wrapped around your heart. Tiny paws on hardwood floor. You drift, I drift, nothing more. Clock ticks slow, the world fades down. Quiet crows where peace is found. Cup of tea and silent skies. Tail flicks once, then closed your eyes. You don't speak, but I still hear every thought you bring so near. Breathing calm, a steady hum. Night and you, the perfect strum. Late night now you call the stars. Moonlight wrapped around your heart. Tiny paws on hardwood floor. You drift, I drift, nothing more. When night begins to blue, I'm still right here, curled next to